Well, I'm Lily,
And I'm Haley.
and we're gonna do the smoothie challenge.
We're talking really quiet.
Shush. Anyway, so if you don't know how the smoothie challenge goes, you get 7 good items and 7 gross items. You put them all in a blender, which I only have this right now. Blend it all up and try and drink it. I'm gonna play rock, paper, scissors of who goes first. 2 out of 3. I'll fix it later. What?
That. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
There you go. Winner goes first. Winner goes. Yeah, I forgot it. Damn!
So I go first?
Yep.
Okay.
Hold on, my phone's being stupid. Keep going. Just choose your number and I'll get the number back up in a minute.
1. Girls are first, aren't they?
No, I think that one's
Mustard.
peanut butter. It's peanut
bad
butter.
number. Okay, never mind.
Peanut butter. We need a knife. No, don't put that in the thing. We're just gonna put this straight in the blender.
Let's do your time to make our own smoothie.
I know. It'll take time to wash it.
Also, I'm doing.
What? Whatever.
Okay, you put it in 2 cups and then you pour it in.
Jessica, it's crunchy. Good luck.
What am I putting it in the cup?
Okay. I'm gonna draw mine. 4. Are you kidding me?
What is it?
Bologna?
Bologna.
Bologna.
Not too much.
That's good. Guess who gets bologna?
I don't know. You or me?
I only want half a thing.
Well, bologna's so gross.
It's so gross.
Peanut butter's okay, except I don't really like crunchy.
Well, you'll have to deal with it because it's this. Plastic bags for that. Okay, your turn again because I drew bologna.
Because I don't know. 3.
3.
Mustard! No! I don't want mustard. I hate mustard.
Peanut butter. Really mustard?
Wait.
You always want to chicken before.
Oh, that's so gross. Oh, God. Oh, it just smells. Oh.
Draw mine.
9.
9. Let's see what 9 is. Berry syrup. Yay.
Shake it. Ew.
This is gonna taste berry bologna. Okay, go. This stinks. 6. 6 is ice cream. I'm gonna die.
I get ice cream, guys. Ice cream, mustard, and peanut butter.
I'm gonna get another spoon.
I'll just use this spoon.
No. You don't want peanut butter in ice cream?
Where's our peanut butter in here?
Over here. Okay, I'm gonna draw mine real quick while this frosts. I left it out, but. Alright, remember she has ice cream. And then.
It's so bright.
12. 12. 12. I'm not 12.
Lily.
I can't find it!
3, 8, 4, 2, 3, 7, 11, 10, 9, 11. Did you put 2 numbers in the same? Okay, 1. You put 2 twice. Cheese and cereal. Oops.
Nice. Alright, I'm just gonna go with cereal.
You get cereal?
Yeah. That's good, just mixing with bologna.
Right. It's gonna taste gross either way.
This is Cocoa
Why is it
Crisp.
yellow?
It's It's French vanilla. Put it in your cup. Don't eat it. Don't eat it! What's gonna top mine is milk. Cereal and milk. Milk, 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 milk. Okay, so your turn.
5.
Now if you get 2, you get
Apple with arrow.
oh, this has still got like, I don't know. That chunk's good. Recorded.
2 chunks.
Okay.
3 chunks.
Too bad. Are you kidding me? We're gonna run out of food before we're done with this.
Won't worry.
Alright.
I will not be eating any of this.
11.
Ketchup.
Yay! This is going to taste amazing.
I think yours is more gross right now.
I don't like ketchup to begin with, so.
We should do like eat a spoonful of ketchup challenge.
No! I will barf.
I know.
Go. 8. 8 is pickle juice.
Pickle juice.
Here, I'm gonna help you pour this.
Really? It's going everywhere.
I totally did that! Oh gosh.
Maybe I should pour it.
Yeah! I put it on my phone!
I put a lot of pickle juice in there, oh gosh. It came out fast.
Back there for now. Okay, my turn!
Alright. Your phone's gonna. Oh, it's over here.
13.
You're getting more gross.
I need another spoon. We have lots of dishes today. Miracle Whip! Yay. Mine's going to taste amazing. It's just gonna be so yummy. Ew. Ew. I don't like mayonnaise either. Or Miracle. Ew! Did you just seriously?
It was just some pickle juice that came up.
There's some other chunks in that. Ew.
It just tastes like pickle
Go.
juice.
So gross.
14. Milk.
Brand new gallon. Feels like pouring that. Oh, milk and pickle juice.
More?
More. Don't fill it all the way up because we still need to put ice in it. Okay.
Because I need my smoothie cold. You really don't know.
You effing kidding me? I had cheese.
Get the whole thing.
I'm not putting the whole thing in there.
Look at mine compared to yours. Yeah. Put the whole thing in.
I'm putting half. Look at that. No, look at that. No. I left the microwave open.
What?
Ew, 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 don't eat that.
I'm not gonna eat it. Compromise. Bang on.
Look at the difference. Oh, sunlight being weird.
This is not gonna blend very well.
Nope. Might have to have more
Hopefully you
ice
get
in
soy
there.
sauce.
Ew.
My turn.
I'm gonna flip these over.
What's the other one left?
Juice. Please.
10. Nutella.
I'm not getting another spoon. Use the ice cream one. And lick it off. Since you already licked it.
I did.
There might be mayonnaise.
That is peanut butter.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Milk, pickle juice, and chocolate. Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, I got 7, which is the last one.
Soy sauce.
Oh my god.
Yeah, put a
Mine's
lot.
going to be horrible.
Okay, that's expensive.
No!
Just a little more. You need more liquid.
I'm not putting any more. The rest can be water. water.
Okay. Where's the
Well-
lid?
Lid? Right there. Alright, we're gonna blend these up. I'll be back in a minute.
Why?
Cuz, just go.
3, 2, 1.
Swallow. I like a taste of salt.
I swallowed it. She didn't.
I'm gonna have to put a puke warning on this. Taste mine. No, taste
Okay,
yours. Now we're gonna try switching. I'm not looking forward to this. All that's gonna taste like is salt. Because of the soy sauce. Ready?
No.
Let's do it.
Okay. Try and swallow it.
Oh God.
Mine, I actually swallowed mine the first time. Okay. Ready? Set, go.
Oh, it's salty. Oh God. Oh my God. That's horrible.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Well done.
The toilet smells better than the smoothie.
That's horrible. We gotta do it again.
Our own? I think. Which one do you like better?
Neither.
Well, I think mine's a little better.
I just spit it out. Now it's all like.
Mine's like
This could pass off as puke. Just add this and that and then pass off as puke.
okay.
Alright.
Man, we do must swallow this time?
I can't swallow mine, right?
Oh yeah, it's too salty.
It's too salt. If you swallow too much salt, you will die.
Well, then why have you put so much salt in yours?
It's a soy sauce! Okay. And half this is like water.
Okay, let's try our hardest to swallow it, okay? Let's just try our hardest.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Because I swallowed mine the first time, so maybe.
I don't
Ugh.
know. I can't in the middle. It feels like
Oh,
halfway.
it's not mine too, okay.
Alright.
Okay, back to our own. Ready? Go.
Oh my God.
Oh wow.
Oh my God. I can't even drink my. Oh my God. I can't do it.
I actually swallowed it and that made it.
I can't even get. I can't get a drink of milk.
I actually swallowed mine and that just made it worse. No.